Morning, family. Hope everyone is well. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Beautiful Monday morning. German 40 we are about to buy. So if you are new here, welcome to the atmosphere of excellence and the atmosphere of high performance. Are we marking the register? Can we do so just before? Mohau is saying first man on the clock in the morning. To the president and my fellow choppers, let's get started with the week ahead. Looking forward to seeing us chopping harder this week. Yeah, man, this week I want us to hit hard. I'm looking at this Germany here. I actually want to buy it now, right? I know the market is gonna open shortly, but I actually want to buy it now, and I'll tell you why. With this rejection candle there, I might be going right in. As you know that we've been saying that we're gonna check in the morning if we can be bullish on this one. By 9:45, we should have a nice candlestick there, confirmation. We are all in on German, but if it closes like this, there might not be an opportunity. So let's tune in and let's check. Please don't forget to like the stream. Let's get 100 likes this morning. The live is saying good morning. Brian Velitan is saying good morning, people, all the way from Cape Town. Brian, I'm meeting with you, my friend. I saw your email. Let's meet on Saturday. So I'm taking the first plane to Cape Town this coming Saturday, and I want to see you guys just before I attend my evening meetings. So if you're in Cape Town, hit me up and let's meet. We also have Apostle Terence is saying, good morning, people. I'm thankful to God for the beautiful sunny morning in Cape Town. Wishing you all the best and prosperous trading week. Thank you so much. It's an honor, my good sir. We have Google is saying, blessed morning, Monday morning to everybody. Andy Jackson is in the house saying, good morning, team. Google is saying, I'm a new trader just starting small each day. My target for the day is 2,500. So Google has a target there. Let's see if we can assist Google to reach the target this morning. Since Nontlanta is in the house, Kara is saying good morning traders, morning everyone. By Andile Mashabawe, right? Sisbongi is also in the house. Makato Godfrey SA say hi guys, I'm from Sushanguve and I'm new on this channel. We want to welcome you there, Makato. Just ensure that you like, you subscribe, right? I'm a good friend. Kinosi is also in the house. C. Paul Sitle Dula is saying morning everyone. Nan is saying good morning everyone. The real Mluda, good to see you, my friend. Jeraz has been a long time, my friend. Jeraz, I think for the past 3 sessions you were not there. Tell me if I'm wrong. Like I said, I know my people. I know all of you guys. If you are not in the stream, I can tell. If you are not on the stream, I can tell that you were absent. So Mjeras, just confirm for the last 3 streams, in fact even from yesterday, you were not there. If you were there, then you were not communicating. The live light is saying, bro, how long have you been using Octa? I'm skeptical. Look, man, all I can say is, I'm gonna answer your question being a bit sarcastic, right? All I can say is, if you look at the space of trading right now, the only broker at the moment, and it's my opinion, that is trying to give out as much information, as more educational content as possible is Octa, right? So I've been using it for the past 3 years now, and for the longest time, in fact, even before we had a sponsorship from them at Top Trade, I've been saying, guys, look, we need to look into Octa, right? So I want to ask you this, the light. What makes you skeptical? I want to ask that question. Healthy Life is saying good morning. Crypto Muntu is saying Molweni. Crypto Muntu has started with Zulu or Xhosa, right? I'm gonna try this morning to see. Molweni Apa Akaya, Happy New Week, which means good morning, good morning at home, something like that. Right. Sang is saying I'm late. Sang is being late lately. Sang is being very late. But we understand that Sange is committed. Mohawi said, don't you think it's a trap? Rather wait for a discount at 4-hour time frame. But remember, my friend, I'm trading it on 15 minutes. For me, it's more like a one-night stand trade, right? The German that I'm looking at right now. So I want to see how it closes and opens a new candlestick now, right? I want to get this buy on German. If you're going to take this buy with me, let me know there. Let me know. Mr. Mbezi yesterday was saying, I can't wait for morning so that we can take this German buy. Looks proper, man. Looks proper. All right, let me take out my face and have a big chat for you guys. It's time to work now. So yeah, as you know, yesterday, this is how we had planned out our day, right? So we said, as long as, please, and I hope you guys mark the prices that we had yesterday. So yesterday we said, as long as we are above 23,098, we can be looking to go to the upside on German, right? So currently now, now I'm looking at seeing, right, if maybe we can jump this. I hear what Mohawi is saying. Look to buy at the discount, yeah, but that was going to be for those that are swinging. Huh? It's going to be for those that are swinging. So we just want to be taking a buy at this point. Like I said, let's wait for Koratu and make a decision from there, right? Because jumping to it now might be, we can find another candle going to the downside, right? Where can we reload again? Again, same position, we can try to reload, right? So, yep. Euro dollar. So as I said, let's not rush to buying euro dollar. Last night, if you attended the stream, you would remember I said, let's not rush to buy euro dollar. Sentiments show that a lot of retail traders are buying this. And remember, 80% of retail traders are buying euro dollar, right? So we know that 80% is money for speculative traders. And we don't want to be part and parcel of the trap or whatever you want to call it. So at this point, let me just have a clean chart there. In 15 minutes, we have this key level. Those are committed during NFP on Friday, either they are on break even or they are stopped out on this price here, $1.0827. Right, so what is it that we are looking for this morning? As long as we are below this level, and my concern again will be, choppers, let's not be trapped by this. We are consolidating, right? Price is failing to break off these levels. So as long as we are, and we need to agree on one thing, choppers, so that you don't get trapped. And I showed you this example on gold that if you're not going to listen to what I'm saying at that point, you are going to get trapped. And we saw a lot of people getting trapped. My WhatsApp man was buzzing again on Friday. People asking me, where can I come out on gold? And I said it on the stream, ladies and gentlemen. Don't enter gold. If you are not swinging it, don't enter it. It's consolidating. All right? So even now, I'm saying, If you are not committed in a euro dollar trade, don't enter it. If you are not yet on a trade on euro dollar, don't enter as yet. Why am I saying that? If you enter a buy, chances are you are going to get a bounce of this price. Okay. Let's look at our fixed range. So we're going to take our fixed range, and one person was asking me this question last night to say, where can I put the fixed range? So we're going to put the fixed range where consolidation started, right? There you go. POC is at $1.853, right? What does that tell you? As long as we are below this level, we've got no business buying this thing. So let's see if maybe we can have some accelerative movements up until this level. Then that's when we can go to the upside. So we are bearish on the dollar today. I mean, on euro dollar, we are bearish. We are bearish on euro dollar. So if you are not yet in on euro dollar and you are a day trader, please don't commit as yet. Let's wait to break below $1.0829. Let's break this level first, then we can do reevaluation from there. All right. Okay, so German, the way it closed with a vector candle. We don't have anything as yet. If we have an indecision as from here, we buy, right? And if we go low, we're gonna see if price holds at this level, and we are going to buy from there. If it holds 23,098,097, that's German, right? British pound USD. So British pound USD, again, let's do a recap. Can I please have a clean chart? This is from last night. So British pound USD, as I told you on Friday during NFP, those who bought here, I told you, even if you can buy there, I'm still expecting dollar to have some bit of strength coming down. And this is where we saw it. Stop losses of those who committed are probably out. They're out. And I told you, don't buy this thing. Don't buy this thing. I clearly said this on Friday. Don't buy this thing. Just because NFP is negative and the dollar is weak, there's a lot of money here. There's a lot of money here. Again, we find ourselves in a consolidation. Take our fixed range from the left hand side to the right hand side. We are below. Same as the euro dollar. We are bearish. If you check it on 1 hour, I think a lot of retail traders will want to have a continuation to the upside. So we are bearish on this. I will want to check the percentage change. Already we are down by British pound is down by 0.08%. So let's see if we can go to the downside. Wait for an impulse correction, then we're good to go. Okay, so we are bearish on British pound USD. AUD USD. Our analysis was only if we break below this level, we sell. Don't sell it as yet. It's not yet ready. We have it here. There's our alert here, this dotted line at 62 cents 81. This is where we have our dotted lines, which is our alert, right? To sell it now, it will be risky because it can rebound at 63 cents. So we want it to break, retest 62 cents, then we go to the downside. We wait for these two candles here. So leave your alert where it is. For those who didn't have this alert yesterday, let me give it to you. 0.62811. That's where you have your alert for AUD USD, so that when it comes here, we take a sell, we look for our rejection candlestick, and then we go to the downside. Also look at our ATR at that point, what will be happening. Then we go to the downside. Right, WTI. Yesterday we did mention again that we are bullish, but we're only going to remain bullish if we break above this level here. I hope you marked it down. $66.56 a barrel on WTI light crude oil. We are going to the upside. So today again we are buying this safe trade. For those that say, President, I want the safest trade I can have, wait to break above 67 cents. 67 cents, 27 cents a barrel. Let's go to the upside on WTI. That'll be the safest trade. Because on 1 hour, I think we have a lot of people selling this thing because we've been dropping for quite some time now. Look at that. This is just 1 hour. Peak formation, I think it has formed at this low in a form of double bottom. Peak formation formed. Now we're heading to the upside. All right. So we are bullish on WTI. NAS 100, what are we doing today? We remain bullish still. Only buy NAS 100. Again, we do a recap of what we spoke about last night. If we break above this level, so we gapped down. And I did say to you, even if we gap to the downside, we are still going to remain bullish. Buy it when you're above this level. So we are just moving this thing. Same setup on NAS 100. We are bullish. Break retest 20,177. We're going to the upside. That's NAS 100 for you. We are still bullish. US 30, same, bullish. Where are we buying US 30? We are still playing within a box. However, look at this. Our POC is trading at 42,617. Safe entry, 42,877. And I always say this to you, choppers. If you are a day trader, don't rush into getting into trades first thing in the morning. When does the market maker normally trap people? Session open, session close. Week beginning, week ends. Month beginning, month ending. All right. So we know that now it's a new week, new session. There must be a false move. So if you are looking for selling opportunities on US 30, unfortunately, I'm looking for buying opportunities, but my safest buy will come above 42,873. So I'm bullish on this one. I know, again, you can come for me and say, but President, this is a downward trend. I understand, but I've been trading with trends for the longest time, and I never saw myself winning. So now that's how I trade. We normally do the opposite out of what the whole world is doing. Still looking at my German to see there if we can find another rejection, and we are coming all in there on German. So I'm just studying it, watching it like a hawk. Bitcoin, we are buying only above 95,000. This is a buy we had last week Sunday. This was our analysis to buy to buy Bitcoin at 82,359. Today, what are we doing? Or this week, what are we doing? We are only buying Bitcoin if we are above 95,000. So don't buy it as yet. I know some of our guys here have already bought it. KG, I think, is still holding his buy on NAS 100. But we are actually buying it above 95,000. Choppers, can you just do me a favor, please? 71 people are watching this, and only 44 have liked the stream. Just ensure they like the stream. That is a way of showing your appreciation for this stream, right? So just like there. If you just joined us, just ensure that you like there. So let's monitor this German. I really want this German. To be honest with you, I really want this German. I cannot afford to miss it. I really cannot afford. So our analysis yesterday is that it can bounce off 23,100 and go to the upside. It has already started doing that. So we want to see where we can climb this moving train. Maggie Lesoga say, morning family, I'm new here. Just started with last night's session. So far, so good. I'm impressed with how President is responding to his family, and I'm happy to be here. Thank you so much. You are welcome to the Choppers family. Madi Major saying, good morning. Mr. Sibia is saying, I had a funeral commitments for 2 weeks-ish, my President, but I'm back. I hope you are well, my friend, and condolences to you. If it was a family member or a relative, somebody that was close to you. So I noticed that you are not on the stream. So anybody that is not on the stream, believe you me, we have, our number is quite, I wouldn't say it's a lot, but it's quite high. But I know everyone by their stream names, and I can tell you if you are here or you are not here. I really can tell you. So I was aware that Jereza was not there for the past 3 streams. I was aware. SG, our Secretary General, saying good morning, MJ, to my fellow choppers. Maggie is asking, does the president have mentorship besides YouTube channel? So if you want to join the family, Maggie, there is an Okta link there. You can always sign up, fund your account, and send us a WhatsApp. I'm just going to put my WhatsApp number there. Then you can always get help and join this winning team. There you go. I'll just put my WhatsApp number there for those of you that wants to join our Choppers Funded. Caleb is saying 11 minutes late, but I hope I didn't miss a lot. Yep, not really much, my friend. Kama is in the house. Gugu is saying, your choice of words, my president. One night stand trade, I'm finished with laughter. Yeah, so basically what I mean is just go in, you know, I don't commit to my trades. I'm not faithful to, I'm only faithful to long-term relationship like Mohau. He's more of a swing trader, right? So I only swing Bitcoin and WTI. Sometimes my stock portfolios, right? So I don't like being in a trade for a long time. I'm sorry. So it's just, I'm in, I'm out. See me now, see me no more. So if this money is taken by the market, then so be it. If not, then let me take from it. So I don't like committing to being in a trade. That's why my rule is, if I enter a trade on 15 minutes, within 2 hours, I must hit TP. If I don't hit TP within 2 hours, I need to manually close the trade, whether it's winning or it's losing. Whether it's winning or it's losing. Ngosana Suping said, Dumela, I just wanted to grow my account forever. I'm tired of blowing from 2017. Things must change now. Yeah, Ngosana, welcome to the family. Let's see how we can assist you, my friend. Stop blowing. Crypto saying we'll be taking the German 20, I believe, with you. Zikali saying Okta is the best broker I've ever used in 4 years. Yeah, that's why I asked Life Light this question. Why is he skeptical, right? Why is he skeptical about using this broker? If you know me and you know my morals, you know what I believe, and you know my business ethics, you know I can never partner with a nonsense broker. I can never associate my brand with something that is nonsense. That one I can never do. So it seems like Crypto Muntu is saying 23,129. Crypto, my friend, please let me know if you're gonna. I'm still waiting for your text if you're gonna fly over to where I will be on Saturday in Cape to meet with me. I think we haven't finalized, right? We really haven't finalized, so yeah. Tuaranaho is saying Dex 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm looking at it at 15 minutes, my friend. I want to enter it on 15 minutes, this tax. I want to buy it. Tisu saying, I struggled to get in today. Good morning, President, and all the choppers. Yeah, Tiriso, Mohau beat you, my friend. Beat you into being the first man. Mohau is actually the first one on the stream. Bandile Dlamini say, I'm on sales. Actually, stops are in a comfortable level, but I will add more risk if it goes my direction, euro dollar. I think it's a good choice, my friend, for selling euro dollar. And I know it's not fashionable to sell it at this point, but I think it's a wise choice. I'll drop on euro dollar. I'm liking what I see. Little drop on euro dollar. I'm liking what I see. Yeah, man. If you are on a sell on euro dollar, like I said, my friend, again I will say apia mangame. Don't buy this thing, man. It's a sucker trade. I've been telling you guys from Friday. Don't buy euro dollar. Don't do that to yourself, guys. The market maker does these things all the time. The market maker does this all the time. You get trapped in silly areas all the time. Don't do it. So if you sold euro dollar and you listen to what I said on Friday that don't buy it, rather sell it, you are comfortable. You should be comfortable right now. So I would say if you are on sales, depending on where you have taken sales, let me know there and keep your trade running, man. There's nothing to fear about selling this thing when it's on an upward trend, because one thing about trading is that an upward trend on one time frame, it's a downward trend on another. Understand what I mean? So yes, I know on 1 hour one could say, but President, that's an upward trend. We've been going to the upside for some time. Yeah, I see that, but on 15 minutes we just formed another one. What do you have to say about that? You see? So it didn't make sense on Friday when I was telling you guys, don't buy it. Dollar might be strong. So right now, the people that bought here, where do you think their stop losses will be? If they bought here. If they bought here and thinking they're going to make a new low, where is their stop losses right now? They're probably out. This actually took them out. Okay. Then you're going to ask me, President, where are you going to jump on this thing? I cannot sell it now because chances are, if it takes out the stop losses of those who committed early on Friday, we can still, because we said we are only going to buy this way. Remember, we want to buy this here. We want to buy it here. Then we go up. That's when we can say maybe we can possibly go up, right? Maybe we can possibly go up. So for now, we are not going to entertain any buying opportunities here. Let's wait to see what will happen to it. Okay. Bandile, please let me know where is your stop loss, my friend. Let me know where is your stop loss on euro dollar. Remember, guys. We are meeting again tonight. Don't forget that, please. Very important. We are meeting tonight on the Octas channel, right? If you haven't signed up for that webinar that is taking place tonight, there's a link there, guys. Ensure that you subscribe on that link. You click on it, you will see my face there, and you sign up. Please ensure that you are on that link there. Ladies and gentlemen, we only have 61 of you that have liked the stream, and 74 people are watching. Please, let's do our best. Let's like the stream to 100, please. Let's ensure that you like the stream to 100. This is not that is asking me, Mr. President, what do you mean when you say just 1 second. Just want to check German. We are still holding that 23,098 or so. As long as we are above it, we are still going to the upside. Remember, only if we are below, we are changing. We are going to be on the sideline and do reevaluation. But as long as we are above this level, we still look for buying opportunities there on German, right? So let's wait to see what will happen. Already down by 0.54%, right? Now, if we are now down, I want you to look at this percentage here. If we are now down by 0.57%, now 60%, remember, for us to hit 1%, right, we need to move one direction. So chances are, if we get below this level and we get a consolidation happening with the rejection candle, that's when we can say we can go to the upside and reload again at this level. So we would actually want to see if we can capitalize on this movement here up until we get to this point. Because my take is, can we make a new low below this? Yeah, it's a possibility, but we'll see, right? But if we close below this level, we need to get a rejection candlestick so that we can get to 1%. Right now, down by 0.70%. Then we can see if we can take a sell short position there, in and out again. Anything that is above it, we still go to the upside. Euro dollar still dropping. British pound also still dropping. Again, those who committed here because of NFP, no, here. Their stop losses are probably being taken out now. It's clear. So the strength that most of you were asking me, why am I saying the dollar might be strength? There it is there. There's the proof there why I said the dollar might be strength. Because sentiments don't lie. 80% of the retail traders were buying euro dollar and they were buying British pound USD. So at some point, for every buyer, there must be a seller, right? So that's why I was saying that WTI, we are right above $66.57. Anything that is above 67 cents, we still go to the upside. I would say if you are not used to trading WTI, don't trade it between 67 cents 27 and 66 cents 58. Rather wait to break above, get that rejection candle, but we are going to be bullish on it. German still moving to the downside, almost down by 1% again. On 5 minutes, we just have to see if we can get that correction happening. Then we can try to see if we can maybe bank. Yeah, let me say 160 pips or so. Then we can look to go to the upside from this point here, 22,900. So reevaluation, we are below this level now. We can't look for buying opportunities. That will be risky, right? Because you are now below your key significant area. You can take a buy at this point. Since Nontlanda is asking me, Mr. President, what do you mean when you say price hold? So what I mean when I say price hold is, for example, this German, right? When I said, let's see if price holds this level, meaning to say it's playing around one price for some time. So for example, let's say you are having a price that is doing something like this. Right, you are having a retest to this level. If you are having a retest to this level, and for example, you wanna get a sell here, but you are not sure. What I mean by price holding is that price will be just playing around one place. Then you see your drop. So all this movement here, price is not moving up, not down, it's just moving sideways. So it's hanging around that time for some for a particular period. That's why we normally wait for a rejection or an indecision. So you'd find that the first time you would find that price is having an indecision and is rejecting, possibly even have something like this, then you see if you are looking for selling opportunities, then you see price do something like this. So price held for the past 45 minutes. If you are on 15 minutes, for the past 15 minutes, we were just playing in 23,120. So that's what I mean when I say price holding. That gives you a confirmation that you can be good to sell or buy, right? So for instance, we didn't see this price hold here. And the pace in which it moves down, it shows you the strength of sellers. This market is extremely bearish at this moment, so you cannot buy. So that's what I mean when I say price must hold for you to make a decision. Brian is saying WTI is fire. Most definitely, my friend. We're gonna be looking at it as well. So my interest for the morning, German 40 and obviously WTI. Euro dollar, I'll want to see where I can jump on this trade. Mahal is saying, can we argue with German 40? My analysis tells me that we are headed to our hourly premium zone. What's your price there, my friend? Give me price there. Give me price. Where you are seeing this. Give me your price. Healthy Life is a Mr. President. Euro dollar is already selling past $1.08.25. Yeah, I'll want to see where I can get this. Sid is saying seems like British pound is going down. Yes, we had anticipated this move on Friday, my friend. We as choppers knew that today we're going to expect the euro to have some strength from Norway. We knew that from Friday. So for us, it's not a surprise. Temba is saying Sabonani. KB is saying, hello, Mr. Been a minute. Which tool website do you use to check sentiment? If you go to Google now and just type euro dollar sentiment, you will find different websites. It's there. It's there. I want to see where I can climb on this German. To be quite honest with you, I need the rejection candle almost down by a percentage. I need to see if I can capitalize on between when I'm on 80%, on 90%, and see if maybe I can reach one down by 1%. So yeah, KB, go on Google and just write euro dollar sentiment or British pound sentiment or German 40 sentiment. You'll find it there. KB is one of the guys that I actually started working with back in the days. Good friend of mine. Good to see you on the stream, my friend. He would attest that what you see today is something that I've spoken about like years ago, that we would have one of the most powerful streaming communities in our region. So good to see you there, my friend. I still remember the days sometimes we were broke and we were buying soup and bread. You still remember? So we used to buy soup and fagumoya back in the days when we were broke and come and trade. Those were good times. Marimeja is saying, I was waiting for a break of the consolidation retest before entering euro dollar. I missed the bus. Yeah, I think a lot of people missed this euro dollar because they don't know where to enter this. I would say if the euro dollar comes at this point, don't sell it. Don't sell it. It's a trap. Don't sell it. If we get to this point, you want to do this, don't do it. It's a trap. Stay tuned. Let's see where we can climb this bus. German 40 now down by 1%. It's moving this thing and we are not getting that indecision for us to enter this trade. Now our 23,198 is now invalid. We cannot look for buying opportunities as yet. Let's see if we can hold 22,925. Crypto saying, George, we have a funeral at home, so we'll have postponed. I will meet soon as I'm looking forward to our meeting. Noted, my friend. See, Tembiso is asking, can you tell us more about 78% FIB level? Yeah, I will let you know now. Brian is saying your analyzing is clean. Crypto saying waiting also still on German 40 will enter with you. Yeah. So what I'm basically looking at, I'm just studying the percentage. I cannot buy it now because it's down by a percentage. I cannot buy it now, right? I cannot buy it now. It's down by almost 1%. In fact, it was down by 1%. So what I can do is in and out to look where I can get a rejection candle or an indecision, possibly take something like this in and out, right? In and out. So I cannot sell it. I cannot buy it now. It's too down for me. Can we ensure that we like the stream? Choppers, let me see how many people have liked the stream so far. We only have 73 people that have liked the stream. We can do better, Choppers. Let's ensure that we like the stream. Let's get 100 likes. Relaxing, good to see you, my friend. Mohawi said, Mr. President, can you please play that song that says Sobonana Imatule during CPI? I think we should. I sang it for you guys on Friday. That if you are buying euro dollar Sobonana Imatune, right? I played it. I sang it for you guys on Friday. That if you are buying euro dollar, all the best. If you are buying British pound USD, all the best. Sobonana Imatune. Mr. SBI is saying big guns are buying gold, silver, WTI, JPY, USD, COT report. We'll also have a look at it. Remember, again, guys, speculative trading mostly works for people that are swinging. For us day traders, it's just to be cautious when we make those intraday decisions. So it's mostly for people that are swinging. People like Mohau should always be glued to the COT report. Always. George Dede is saying, I'm having a problem signing up on the webinar. What is the problem there, George? What is the problem so that I can let Okta know that there are people experiencing problems? Guys, don't miss that webinar tonight. It's going to be powerful. Don't miss it. So I would actually suggest that you go there. Let me do this. I would actually suggest that you even if you have signed up, you just go there now and click on notify me, something like that. Let me see if I can get so we are not streaming tonight on this channel. We are not streaming on our channel. We are streaming on the Okta channel. Let me get on it. There it is there. So click on notify me so that you can be notified when we go live. Click on notify me. scheduled for the 10th of March 2025, 7 p.m. Right there it is. Yeah, you can watch others, but the most important one you need to watch at this point is this one, because you are a shopper, right? So I want us to dominate that live stream. Everyone that is here, I want us to be there, and let's make it a normal stream like we are used to. By the way, some of you are struggling with the Octa trading thingy, trading web thing, where I normally say it's easy, man, where you put your stop. I've already showed you with our small account how it normally happens, right? So I'll be showing you how you can open a trade, put your stop loss, put your pending orders and whatnot when it comes to crypto, and how tight the spread on crypto it is, especially from Octa. So yeah, ensure that you sign up for this, guys. Just ensure that you sign up for this. It's taking place tonight at 7 p.m. All right, just ensure that you are tuned in there. Real Mulu, they say, I think German will be starting to buy around 22,980. This is where you say you think it's gonna buy. Still, I think, Mulu, what I would say to you, my friend, is that if you are looking to buy this, can you then at least wait to be above this key level? It's risky to buy this now, my friend, because this thing is down by 80%, and it was just down by 1%, which is high. I mean, we just opened. We haven't even opened, by the way. We haven't even opened the session. We are just going to open the session now. If you want to buy it, be above it. If you want to sell it, study the percentage change. WTI, we're still waiting to see where we can buy this thing. Safe trade above $67.27. But we are bullish. NAS, we are also bullish. Again, today we are bullish on this. Only if we break above 20,171. Only if we are above that level, we buy. As long as we are below that, we cannot buy. It won't make sense to buy this below this level. It really won't make sense. So wait for this thing to be above, then you can say you can buy it. Euro dollar, we are waiting to see where we can sell at the high. But if we come at this point, we cannot sell this. It's going to be a sucker trade. Remember what I always teach you guys. How many of you have seen this where the market is consolidating? And this is on FX, right? This is just on currency pairs. How many of you have seen this where you're experiencing this? You sell here because it's a retest. Stop loss may be there depending on your risk reward ratio and how you manage your risk. How many of you normally sell there and you find something like this? Most of you, right? This is where the FIP comes in place. Where you put your stop loss, we as choppers, that's where we enter. Why? A lot of retail traders, they sell at this point. So hence I'm saying, if that happens on euro dollar, don't sell there. If it happens, we come there, don't sell it there. Don't sell it here. Yeah, it would be nice to see it just drop from here, but a retest of the previous support, which is now as resistance, it will be dangerous, my friend. I'll be honest with you. That will be dangerous. WTI is still moving nicely to the upside. we are bullish, remember. By the way, guys, I think we made a mistake. The picture that is showing on our live, it says non-farm payroll. It's from Friday. Apologies. Commodities asking gold. So yeah, we haven't looked at gold for some time. So gold, my friend, we are waiting for two things to happen. We are on the sideline. So we have decided not to trade gold today until we break below. So our alert is at $2,896 an ounce. I mean, an ounce on gold, right? So we are on the sideline, Komodo. We are not entertaining this thing until we break below or above, because this thing is sideways. I made a general example that if you enter this here, chances are it goes your direction, makes you set by coming back to your entry level. So we are not entertaining this. We are really not entertaining this. So yeah, guys, don't forget, tonight we are meeting at 7 p.m. on the Octa YouTube channel. Let's study the heat map. KG, good to see you, my friend. KG, you've been quiet. What's happening, my friend? German 30, 22,968 strong zone. Hoping to see price respect that zone. Yeah, like I said, price has to hold at some point before we can commit. Price has to hold at some point before we commit. CD say, my good sir, your analysis on oil is, I don't know, what do you call this, guys? I think proper, right? Yeah, my friend, you see, when it comes to oil, it seems like me and oil, I'm not water, because me and oil, we mix very well. We mix very well. I enjoy trading oil, man. I enjoy trading oil, light crude oil. I just enjoy trading that thing, man. So yeah, guys, please be reminded, don't buy German as yet. Please, 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 don't buy German as yet. We're only buying when we are above a certain level. We're not buying that thing as yet. It's too dangerous to do so. I was saying was anticipating price at 23,236 and 23,327, but it decided otherwise. We might be headed price to 22,756 or 22,562 on the H4 discount zone. Yeah, I think Mohawde is speaking for swing traders. KG wants to buy at 22,968, stop loss at 22,625 for our time frame. Makes sense. KG and Mohau there, you can put your heads together, my friends, and see how we can capitalize on these things on a higher time frame. Manda, good to see you, my friend. Sis Bongi saying, please re-explain percentage condition on German 40. Okay, so what I mean by that is let me show you what I mean. What I mean by this is percentage here is one thing that I've seen retail traders don't pay much attention to this. And this is one of the most important instruments you can ever find, because that gives you a gauge, right? To tell you, that's what I'm saying, you cannot buy German now. It's down by 1%. 1% is a lot for any asset for that matter. You know, when you listen to the news or listen to radio and they say German is down by 1%, it's a concern. Or Google is down, ShopRite is down by 1%, down by 2%. We're talking of big money, right? We're talking of billions. So if you are down by 1%, Sis Bongi, you cannot buy this. Hence now I'm saying we need to do a re-evaluation to see how we can take advantage of this to the downside. Right? So that's what I mean when I say we need to study percentage. I hope that makes sense. All right. Heat map. Choppers, we need only how many people? 11 people of you to just like the stream. 10 people of you like the stream. Please ensure you like the stream. Only 10. We have 100 likes, guys. We can do it. Let's get 100 likes. Before I carry on, let's get 100 likes. USD is quite neutral this morning. Euro is down. British pound is down as expected. New Zealand dollar is up. AUD is quite neutral as well. Japanese yen strong. Chinese yuan weak. Again, what does that tell you? You cannot buy euro dollar at this point. These numbers must change at some point. Right, so there you go there on German, still down by 1%. We cannot buy this thing. In fact, we can look to be part of this 1% by looking for short-term bearish movements in and out. At this point, we cannot buy. There's no way we can buy this thing. KG, did you close your Bitcoin? Secretary General is asking, is the webinar on YouTube? Yes, it's going to be on Octa's YouTube, not this YouTube channel. Octa's YouTube channel. Mao is saying, so it's true that someone's stop loss is someone's entry. Yeah, my friend. Brian is saying yes, WTI is moving up, $66.16. We want to get a discount. We want to get a discount. If we can get a discount at least at $66.50 or $66.60, that'll be a good price for us to buy this thing. Cities are saying that non-farm payroll made me lose being the first man on the ball. Yeah, I think your title was taken on Friday when you lost being the first man on the ball, my friend. By the way, guys, if you don't know, Tidiso comes here before the stream starts. In fact, he spends the night here to ensure that he's the first man on the ball. I hope your wife is not going to blame me, man. Say, this guy doesn't spend time with family. He's always on the stream. I'm hoping your wife will not write me an email, reprimand me, my friend. Brian is saying 7 p.m. YouTube, we'll see you all there. Yeah, man, 7 o'clock, we are on the Octoza channel. And we are having a webinar about crypto. Man, they say just signed up and got a congratulations. Yeah, Mandla signed up there, guys. You can sign up as well. Kama is saying, I've been holding euro dollar since last week, Tuesday, for the buys. What I see, euro is still going up. Yeah, at some point, we think it will, but short-term movement indicates that we need to go down. There's a lot of money that is up there. So obviously, if the money is up there, the big guys have to move markets the opposite direction. So hold your fire on German. Please ensure that you don't enter this buy. Down by 1%, 1.15%. It's down, man. We cannot risk it. We cannot risk it. And remember, I told you last week, once German goes one direction, it goes that direction for some time. Let's see if we can hold 22,922. Let's see if we can hold that price, at least. But as it is, we cannot buy this thing, man. Down by 1.2%. Nasdaq is also down by 1%. Still, buy comes at 20,173. Shoo. What do you guys think of this? Look at this. Shoo. Oh. ATR times 2. One to two can push this price up to $67.45. That would be a nice setup, by the way. 11 o'clock, let's decide if we are jumping on this ship. Can you see we are holding? This is what I mean. This is not that when I'm saying we are holding price. We are holding there. Meaning to say we are not moving. We are holding, yeah. So chances are we can get a nice setup there. Germany still moving down by 1.28%. Not ready, man. This thing is not ready. It's not ready. Don't buy it. British pound USD still dropping as expected. Sis Bongi saying, I think I should add it as a condition because it opens buys at 23,166, stop loss at 23, and it hits SL. It opened it as a first indecision of the 15 minutes time frame. By the way, guys, Sis Bongi is working on a powerful algo system that is studying this German. We are working on something very powerful here on German. All right. It's all noted. This is Bongi. Are you already running it on your system? Tiso said my wife is listening, Mr. President, and she liked the stream. Thank you so much. Greetings to you, Madam. Man, we need partners that support our work, man. That's what we need these days. Men and women are too busy sometimes, with life, but it's important to support one another at this point. So I'm happy to see that, series. I'm happy, my friend. I'm happy. Andy is saying, Mohau is saying, German that is chopped today, medicine or nothing. Mohau. Sis Bongi is asking, what is the acceptable percentage, either buy or sell, depending on your analysis? So let's say for like now we are down. This thing was down by how many percent? At this point, it was down by 0.80%. So I think at that time, you can never be looking for buying opportunities if you are down by 0.80%. So market between 0.75% going upwards. So we want to see that rejection coming. This calls for reevaluation. As I said, we cannot buy German at this point. It's too low, too down by 0.61%. I think we might be even down by, look at the 1 hour candle. Look at the 1 hour candle. So we can't buy this thing. We can't buy this thing. Wait for a correction, make decisions there. If we get our indecision candlesticks happening there, then maybe we can drop. We cannot buy this thing. We really cannot buy it. Euro dollar, we're still waiting to see where we can climb this thing, man. At this point, as I said, no buying euro dollar. We are selling it today. And he's saying gold is doing what we want. Let's see. Okay, so our thing is not yet triggered. Remember, if we are above, we go to the upside. If we are below, we go to the downside. So yeah, let's wait for our alert to be triggered. That's true. It's doing exactly what we want. KG, why do you have your 22,968? Why do you have your orders there, my friend? It's too oppressed, German. I can never buy it. It's almost down by 2%, man. Just the 1 hour time frame candlestick is coming now. I want to see how it closes and opens. Google is saying I'm waiting for a buy opportunity on gold. Google, I can only buy gold when I'm above a certain level. I can't buy it now. It's on my consolidation zone. Sure, look at that German, man. Once this thing moves a certain direction, it does not look back. That's what I'm saying. We need to find a way of jumping on this train, man. This thing is moving. I mean, the 1 hour candlestick is still active. Look at that. Oof. That's German for you. Down by 2% already. Early hours of the morning session just opened. Look at what this thing is doing, man. Key significant area, we had it here. So as we said, no buying until we are above this level. So it didn't even bother coming above our key significant area. And I think, ladies and gentlemen, it's important to always have your zones right. Because think about it. If we didn't have our zone here, I mean, we got this completely wrong, right? So if we didn't say only when we are above this, and we decided to buy it anyway here, we could be stopped out by now. But because we were disciplined enough to say, only buy when we are above this. Only buy when we are above this. And see if this price is holding. So if we were not disciplined enough to wait, this could have been disastrous. So the importance of patience and waiting, I think that is demonstrated, because we got it completely wrong. This is out. We were bullish on this thing and we were wrong, but at least we didn't commit on trades, because it was going to be painful to commit on a trade on this thing and you lost it. So the power of waiting, you wait. So some of you are having a problem of patience, you're on the right stream. Here we wait. Euro dollar, still moving to the downside. This one we got it right. British pound USD, we got it right. Nasdaq, I'm still bullish. I don't think we are going to reach this level. I highly doubt. So I'm still bullish on Nasdaq. I just want to see if we can be just above this level. Again, on Nasdaq, if we didn't say break above and we just buy here, where would we be? We could have been stopped out. So it is important to have price points and use your fixed range, by the way, guys. This thing helps you avoid losing a lot of money. Because we said when we are above our POC level, above our key significant area, we buy. It's official. DAX is now down by 2%. There it is there in black and white. 2% out. Our alert is triggered on gold. So gold is still dropping. Our alert was here. On gold, it's triggered. So we cannot look for buying opportunities, but We want to see if we can hold this price. All right. WTI still holding this price here. As long as we are above here, we can only look for buying opportunities. Safe trade, be above $67.27. That will be the safest trade. MT said, please check Euro Japanese. I just jumped out of a buy an hour ago. Break even. Japanese is strong today, my friend. And also given the fact that US dollar is strong against the euro. This thing might have formed the peak price peak formation there. So we can really expect. What were you doing here? Just out jumped the buy. So you were buying this thing almost also down by 1%. So yeah. Look for buy. What I can tell you, my friend, if you want to re-enter a buy, wait to break above this. Wait to break above 159. It's below the POC level at this point, so you can't. I think it will be risky for you to buy it now because it can easily drop like German. So wait for this. Mark this price 159.69 and buy it above that. I think that will be safe. WTI is still holding this price, not moving anywhere. On 5 minutes, it's pure consolidation. We can clearly see that. But we are still bullish. KJ saying, I'm deep in red German. What was your reason for buying German, if I can ask, my friend? Let's see how we can assist you with this one. The price in which you bought it, what was your reasoning behind that? That's why I normally say, guys, study this thing. So let's say you want to enter a trade and this percentage is against it. Like now it's down by 1.84%. You are a day trader. You cannot buy it at this point because it's clearly telling you that I'm too weak for you to invest in me. I'm too weak for you to invest in me. I've already taken a beating, so you can't invest in me at this point. So that's why I didn't buy it. As much as I was bullish on it, I didn't buy it because of percentage, and I had a level in which I said, when I'm above that level, that would be safe for me to enter it. Why I say a German 40 price 22,756 here for buys. It is inside the discount zone on 4-hour time frame. My other confluences are fair value gaps on 4-hour, 1 hour time frame. Yeah, my friend, I wouldn't still join you, no matter how appetizing it can be. I wouldn't still join you, my friend. At this point, I can't buy this thing. Well, you are swinging. Maybe that can work out for you, but I'm a day trader, so I can't buy German right now. I really cannot buy German. In fact, like I said, I can only buy German when I'm at 23,100. Same as what I said with Bitcoin on 4 hours last week Friday. I can't buy Bitcoin now. As much as I bought it here, took TP, I can't buy it. I need to be above this level. Why am I saying that? Because it showed that when I bought it, I didn't have strength to even reach my key significant area. So what makes me think it can go up? Safe trade will be above 95,000. That's when I can buy. So even German, I can't buy German at this point. Unfortunately, I cannot. So remember, gold, we are not entertaining it until we break below or above. As long as we are playing within a box, I'm not entertaining this thing. Look at that. Look. That's why I cannot trade gold at this point. I cannot trade gold at this point. Chances are it's going to disappoint me. WTI is coming in nicely, eh? I'm still here with you, choppers. We'll see how we can climb this thing, this WTI. on the buy side. Gonzalo is saying DAX DAX is first day of the week. Market makers are preparing retail traders to correct the market. Yeah, like I always tell you guys, first thing, week beginning, session open, there's always some funny things happening. It's just for you to stay alert. Sis Bongi is asking, just want to confirm if I understand the percentage condition correctly. If the analysis is bullish, check. If the change is down 7.5 or more, if bearish, check. Okay, so what I'm understanding is if the analysis is bullish, check. The change is or more, and if bearish, check. No, it's actually the opposite. So if we are bullish, for example, if for example we are looking at a market that is doing like this on German, right, and it's just trending, we want to see how we can climb this, right? So what we do is we wait to see the percentage. So if we are bullish and this thing is been coming from here, maybe for example, it's been coming from a certain price and it's bullish, what we are waiting is the percentage has to be green plus. It must be plus because it's bullish. Then we want to do this so that by the time we come out, at least we are up by plus 1%. Let me remove something here. So here it has to look like this. Zero point. So it's up, right? 0.80, meaning to say we want it to reach 1%. So now when you look at DAX, it's minus 1.93. So it's close to being down by 2%. 2% is a lot, guys. For a day, it's a lot. Unless if you are talking about crypto. Yeah, I would understand if you're talking about crypto. Bitcoin down by 5%, 7%. It's normal for Bitcoin. But now Germany is down by 1.93%. So I cannot buy it because it's too down for my liking. I hope it makes sense, Bongi. So if we are bullish, we want it to be up by 0.80%. If we are bearish, we want it to be down. So we need like minus 1% or minus 0.80%. then it's down. So, for example, let's have a look at this WTI. We want to buy WTI at this point, right? We are sitting here, we want to buy WTI. Oops. We are sitting here, we want to buy WTI. Where do we want to buy WTI? Safest trade will be above this level, right? Let me just move this thing over. That is our safest approach, right? Now, look at this. What does the percentage tell us so far about WTI? It's up by 0.03. I mean 0.30. So it gives you an idea that, okay, we are not in the red and we are not really much in the blue. So if we want to buy it, it will be safe. What will not make sense is to buy US 30 and it's down by 0.88%. It will not make sense. What will also not make sense, and as a day trader, by the way, guys, I'm not talking about swing traders, right? What will also not make sense is to buy Nasdaq and it's down by 1%. German is down by 1.8%. It will not make sense at all. And one can ask, okay, Mr. President, I hear you. What about the ones that are 0.15% like euro dollar at this point? It's minus 0.9, right? Can I buy this? There is a room because it's just minus 0.08, 0.09. It makes sense, right? If you want to buy it, yes, you can look into it. Like I said, if euro dollar comes here, don't sell it. Sucker trade, don't sell it. Don't sell it. You cannot sell it. I'm telling you now, don't sell euro dollar there. Look at it even on 5 minutes. Let's be practical, ladies and gentlemen. How many people will sell this thing? Yeah. I might scalp this here, then have an overall movement. So I might want to take this. I want to eat some of this. 37 pips or so. I might eat this. Euro dollar there, don't sell it. I'm humbly asking you guys, don't sell it there. How many people do you think are seeing this as a sell now? Don't sell it. Me, I trade price action and I play with my percentage. I'm not faithful to euro go up the whole year or euro go down the whole year. I'm not faithful to that. I trade what I see now. I'm a day trader. So whatever that is presented for me, that's why I make decisions for my company now. Are we seeing this as a profitable investment potential? Yes or no? I can't sell this here. I really cannot. Can it sell? Yes, it can. But what I'm saying is, chances are to sell is slightly low than going beyond this level. So don't find yourself. And I always ask you this question, shoppers. I always say to you guys, how many of you, when you enter a trade, you get stopped out and it moves your direction? Or how many of you don't even have a stop loss? How many of you, even if you don't have a stop loss, right? You have entered the trade. How many of you don't have a stop loss? Once you see it going on the wrong side where you had anticipated, you close your trade. After you close, then it goes your direction. You are not the only ones. There are millions of people that close the trade where you have closed. Then you think it's a personal agenda. It's a system, my friend. This market, there are serious algorithms that are studying the way we trade. I'm going to give you a secret. Don't tell it to anybody. Right now, as I'm speaking to you, let me tell you what fake prop firms are doing. If 95% of traders are losing money, or 99% are losing money, what they do is they have a robot that is studying the way everyone is trading. They take the opposite direction. What does that mean? 95% of the time, they're going to win. And I'm not even talking about, when I say this algorithms, it's not even at the broker level. It's not even there. I'm talking about the big guys, the COT guys, speculative traders, hedge funds and money managers, all these big guys. They've got serious technology that is just studying how everyone is trading. And those algorithms, they trade against. That's it. That's how they make their money. So I can tell you now, even on this euro dollar, people are going to sell here. And I'm telling you, there it is. If you sold here and you didn't listen to me, where would you be now? If you sold here, retest, I'm selling here, you are going to be stopped out. And I just told you like 3 minutes ago, don't sell there. Just 3 minutes ago. There are people that are having pending orders here. They just sold this thing. I just told you 3 minutes ago, don't sell it. Guys, these guys are fooling us. They make the same thing all the time. It's high time we wake up, ladies and gentlemen. What did I tell you? Don't sell it. Don't sell euro dollar here on 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Don't. And again, when you saw this go down, what were you thinking? Yes, I think now we are ready to go down. You come in. Patience is key in this market. That's why I can spend 2 hours with you guys and I might not take a trade because I understand the mindset of these algorithms. I've studied these algorithms so much. I've studied these algorithms and understand what they're doing. All of you here, at some point you felt like trading is personal. No, man, it's the broker. When I close my trade, it goes my direction. No, it's not the broker. With all due respect to brokers out there, but a broker is too small to speculate price. Broker is too small. There it is. I just told you, don't sell euro dollar. Retail traders, they sell where? Here. Oh, no. And I like it the way they like consoling themselves. Oh, no, I see an impulse. Going back to this price, I jump back in because it's a retest. I was taught support and resistance. Okay. All the best. All the best. So when I do the opposite, when I told you, I might, if I'm gonna buy this, I might want 37 pips to the upside. I just showed you now that if I buy this maybe here, I might take 35 or 37 pips to the upside. Then that's when I'm gonna see if I can have an overall movement, right? So look at this. Let me show you something. Take my fib from this high. Oops, that's not a fib. There. I might sell here, make a new low. But you can't expect me to sell here. Never. I can never do that. If you see me trade like that on FX market, just know that I'm on serious ganja. I can never do that. I can never do that. So that's why my trading normally many people don't understand it, and they say MJ is crazy. We can be on a trend. He goes against the trend. What gives him confirmation? It doesn't make sense, right? If I were to tell you now that I'm gonna buy here, most of you will say you're crazy. Why would you do that? That's the reason why I would actually buy and do the opposite. Because the rest of the world will be selling. How do I make my money? I make my money by doing what the rest of the world is doing. I just do the opposite. That's it. That's how I make my money. As easy as that. If you are not on this live stream and you are new here, chances are you're gonna sell this thing here. Oh, I have my pending orders here at $1.08.28. I'm gonna sell. You could be stopped out now, my friend. So we don't entertain such kind of trades. We will never do that. Johnny Cash is saying, I've already entered the sell with the DAX at 22,925. I think it's going to go down a bit longer. Yeah, it's a matter of studying it and just watching it, guys. You play with this thing. Let me tell you something about what my mentor has taught me, right? My mentor doesn't even care about candlesticks. This here, that guy can just look at this percentage and just watch and say, oh, okay, fine. I see Germany is down by 1.3%. NAS is down by 0.86% or so. Okay, fine. That means today I'm going to look for selling opportunities. Done. He's done. So don't just be faithful to technicals and candlesticks. Professionals, they like percentage. That's why I told you that euro dollar was down by 0.15. Can you buy? Yes, because it's just 0.15. But if the dollar was down by 1%, I have no business buying it or selling it. Buying it if it's down by 1%. Now, euro dollar is in our consolidation. Mr. President, what are we doing now? We're not doing anything. We're just going to be on the sidelines. That's it. Preserve our capital. Rather be on the sideline than to give away my money. WTI still holding that price, not going anywhere. Komucho say gold TP hit. Let's have a look. Hold on, my friend. Where did you buy? I think you bought it at 2,897 an ounce, if I'm not mistaken. Bitcoin is up by 3.2%. One can ask, Mr. President, what can I do at this point? Can I sell? What would you be doing selling if this thing is up by 3%? Already it's giving you an idea that I'm strong. It's giving you that idea that I'm strong. Look into me. Why would you sell it? It won't make sense. Nasdaq. We are still bullish on it. Where are we buying, Mr. President? Above 20,170. That's where we are buying our Nasdaq. Tabang is saying a lot of people will get trapped. Absolutely. Don't be fooled by this market. It's a psychological game. Mr. President, I think I need to get some prayers. I think I need to go to the mountain because you are not the only one. You are really not the only one. You know one thing about trading, it will make you think that you're not smart enough. But you need to understand something. You must understand that you're a human being. And this thing, when it was created on the basis of they understand human behavior. And they capitalize on our mistakes. Fear of missing out. This thing is going. Oh, I'm not going to get in. Those kind of things. Don't be fooled by these markets. That's why you need to join this stream every time we are live. If you want to, and you know, one thing I can tell you guys is I don't expect you to come on the stream and trade what we trade. But what I'm going to ask you is, even if you trade your strategy, like a lot of you here, you are trading your own strategy, right? Just be here for patience sake. Because when sometimes you are trading alone, you might think, oh, I'm the only one who's not taking trades. People are, and you are just seeing screenshots and blue screens on social media. Everyone said, we ate. You ate what? You ate what? We ate. Look at what is happening on demo accounts. And you are thinking, hey, people are making money, I should trade. When you are on this stream, you will practice patience. You will wait with us. We will tell you now it's ready. We can commit. We're not going to give away money easily here. We are going to hold you accountable of taking trades too early. Johnny Cash said that can be legal or fair. Yes, my friend. It's live, Johnny. It's live, man. I know. It's money, my friend. People with money, they make decisions. When you hear that South Africa is run by certain families, you would say it's not fair. But they've got money. They control the narrative. I like making this example. Everywhere I go, I like making this. Right? Zondo Commission State Capture. Zondo Commission State Capture Inquiry. You remember when President Jacob Zuma was there? He said, and I like making this example, this thing really opened up my eyes even to the, that's when I realized that I'm in a game of money and mindset. Jacob Zuma says, and I hope, but I don't have I don't think they have that much influence, right? I'm just saying my opinion, or I'm just saying what Zuma is saying. It's not me. Jacob Zuma said on the Zondo Commission, the Ruperts called me and said to me, you dare replace Pravin Gordhan as a Minister of Finance. My friend, we will take the rand to 18 rand within a day. I'll show you something. Let me show you something. I just hope I still have that chat. I'm on, and I'm not saying this to scare you guys. I'm just showing you that you need to understand the game you are in. I just want to show you something. I want to show you something. What is this price in 2018? Right? Uh, 14 August. Just want to show you something, guys. This can be the one. I want to show you something here. There it is. There it is. And again, I'm not showing you this to scare you. I'm showing you this. Right? Look at what happened on this particular day. Zuma was still president here. And if you just joined us, please note we are not talking about politics. It's still talking about the market. When I said, learn how these guys behave. In 2016, this time, President Zuma was the president of the republic, right? Now, when he comes for Zondo Commission, after he's now president, he says, and this is his words, he says, the Rupert called me and said to me, if you dare replace Pravin Gordhan as the Minister of Finance, we are going to take the rand to 18 rands in a day. Look at what happened, man. Look, now, on this day, it was just trading fine. It's okay. But look at this. Have you seen this before? In South Africa, they took the rand to the dollar from 16 rand, 31 cent. They took it to 17 rand, 77 rand. Man, this is a day. This was back in 2016. This is a day. So you tell me there, Chopper, who's in charge? Do you really think this chart you see here, it's us against us? It's MJ Givens against somebody who's in China. MJ is buying, someone in China is selling. Therefore, we'll see who will win. There's your proof there. Have you seen this before? Zuma spoke about it on the State Capture Zondo Commission to say, they called me. Who controls the banks, man? Who controls the capital of this country? There you go. So, you might ask, okay, Mr. President, how is that relevant to how we are trading? Let me show you something. Let me show you how it's relevant. The big guys have got serious algorithms going on. They know, guys, we have 80 billion selling at $1.08.25, for example. Why are we having money there? Because retail traders are thinking we break, we retest, we're going to sell. That's how they were taught how to trade. What do? They do the opposite. That's it. Why is it that when Donald Trump won the elections just this past November, do you really think this, when analysts are saying investors, you really think those are investors? When I did my CNBC interview, I spoke about gold hitting a certain direction, and I mentioned hedge funds and money managers have reloaded their positions at a particular price. Let me tell you what happened. Immediately after that interview, someone called me and said, how dare you come on national TV and tell people where hedge funds are having their positions? You can't do that. How dare you do that? Why tell people where people have got hedge funds are having their money on? Why do that? Your job is to analyze. And I just said to this gentleman, I don't work for you. I'm the voice to the voiceless. If you're going to invite me on your platform, I'm going to tell you what I know. So go check out that interview. When I was doing an interview with Nastasia, that, listen, hedge funds and money managers are buying gold at this price. This is where they're going to reload. Someone told me you can't do that. Well, I just did. Let's look at our buy there on WTI. How is it going? Where can we climb this train? Seems like we are now above $66.98. Want to see how we can jump on this train. Mohano Global said took Nasdaq buy and currently running 40 pips in profit. Mohano, my friend, I'm only buying when I'm above this level. This will be safe for me. But I like where you have decided to buy, because again, retail traders, they see this drop they are thinking we come to this low. That's why I said to you earlier on, well, I highly doubt we're going to reach this level here. But still, for me to be safe, let me be above this level. Right now, I'm just studying WTI, see where I can jump this train, on this train. For those who joined us, can we like the stream, please, family? If you haven't liked the stream today, just ensure that you like the stream and get a free signal. The industry or the people that control this narrative, and I hope they don't end my stream when I'm talking like this, they want us to be against one another. When we are divided as traders, they win. Because we as traders, we are obsessed with who is good at what, who knows what, who went to better school, who has a better car, who made the most money. That's what they want. They don't want it to be a collective win. It must be an individual win. And they keep us all divided. I tell you that they are coming for you. For SARS, I give you information, you swear at me. You're talking nonsense. I'm giving you literally the information that is coming from SARS. I go on national TV, I tell you that, you swear at the messenger. That's what they want. The more they see that they are winning, the more SARS see that, oh, MJ came in and is telling people about SARS and they are swearing at him. It's good. Let's keep them ignorant. Once they make money, we are coming for them. That's what they want. That's what they want. The more you keep on attacking one another, that's what they want. Look, I think you have a right if you're going to approach and confront somebody who scammed you money. I think you have a right. But I think you are going to be ignorant when you attack somebody and you don't have information about what he says. You come on the stream, we are 2 hours in, we are still looking at where we can enter trades, and you are impatient and say, no, MJ is talking nonsense. I want to get on the trade. MJ doesn't understand my situation. I want to enter. That's what they want. To keep us divided, because every time a nation is divided, ignorance takes place. Keeping us in the dark while we attack one another. Just be honest. Some of you, if you didn't attend this live stream, you are going to sell euro dollar at this level. Just be honest with yourself. You are going to sell it at this level if you didn't attend the stream. Choppers, don't forget tonight we are meeting again at 7 p.m. on the Octas. If you have not signed up, please do so. On the description there, you will see it's written, a sentence that is written, sign up for the webinar, right? Click on it, make sure that you sign up. Click on it and make sure that you sign up. German again, remember we are buying only above 23,094. Anything that is below that, I cannot buy as a day trader. Choppers, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in today. Are we meeting today again? Yes, absolutely. At 7 p.m., we are going to be on the Octas YouTube channel. I'll be showing you how you can trade cryptocurrencies. And if you are a beginner or you are a pro, please make sure that you attend, and just, you can never lose from learning something every day. Some of your questions that will come on the comment sections will educate someone else, right? So just ensure that you are there. I want us to dominate. Let me tell you something. If you look at the Octas YouTube channel, so you have people from Europe, Asia, Australia, North America, South America, Africa, right? But what I want us to do is I want us to dominate that live stream today. I want it to be all choppers there, and we need to be the market makers of live stream in South Africa. We need to control the narrative. This whole negative mindset that people have about the industry, it's about to come to an end, and I'm just depending on you to help me with this whole thing. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to pray after the stream whenever it is important that we have, obviously, another influence in our life on the spiritual side, that we live our lives. Guys, I appreciate you, and I'll see you tonight at 7 p.m. For those of you that are on the group, let's communicate as well on the group. Cheers, bye.